Yes, good morning. So today we will do paralegal works for lawyers and judges. So today the same settings, me as a paralegal and you who are watching this video will be the person who seeks for paralegal advice, and me, I will get your facts, then I will give it later to a lawyer, and the lawyer that I know will give it to the lawyer they know, so that if you will go to them, then they will help you to the judges. So now we will try to tackle perjury, forgery, and subornation. So first, let us talk. Let's say, for example, one of your problem that seeks to be advised or to be served is one of it. Then we will do it one by one. So first, perjury. Perjury is a criminal case. It's done under oath. So when we say under oath, it doesn't mean that you will stand beside the lawyer, raise your right hand, and say an oath. No, you will not do that. You will just uh, make a statement that uh, must be true and correct. Otherwise, you will be charged of perjury. So, if you will say an opinion, uh, you didn't sign a paper, let's say verbal, then it cannot be a forgery. So, the common things that has perjury is those who are statements with your signature. So, and again, if it is just an opinion, you didn't sign it, it's not a perjury. Otherwise, if you see in the Senate or in the House of Representatives, if they will say a statement against a person, if you see that they will stand and they will oath and they will say what they know, then that can be a forgery because they take an oath in front of the uh, audience. But in signing a signature in a paper, you didn't take an oath. You just sign it. So that's it. For the forgery, forgery is different. Forgery is a crime where your signature was copied or traced. So that's without your consent. Uh, uh, that's forgery. Forgery. Forging the signature of other person. Forgery. So that's it. That's forgery. So last is subornation. Subornation is making a person sign a document. So for example, you use grave coercion or grave threat so that a person will sign a document even though it is his signature, it is still against the law because it is subornation. So the person that will be charged under the law will be the one who made the other person sign without his voluntary uh, voluntary consent to sign. So that's it. So you as the audience or watching this video, if you have some crimes involving those things, perjury, forgery, subornation, or even though you are the respondent, it doesn't matter because under the law, everyone is presumed innocent. So if you seek the help of a lawyer through his paralegal volunteers, then don't be afraid or be shy to uh, raise your case so that you will be clarified. So thank you, good day, and God bless.